There's the MGM. There's the Grand Lisboa Palace that isn't quite open yet. And we're gonna go inside. There's a bunch of little tents over there. And that's the Wynn Palace. This is part of the Wynn Palace. Cheers to Macau. Macau Beer Palace. We'll check it out. It's like a beer festival. So we're gonna try to get in and walk around and see what it's all about. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So yeah, there's a whole little thing right here. Looks like there's some stuff going on here. And as far as I know, it's like a beer party inside those big tents over there. So I don't know how interesting it's going to be. I saw there's some bathrooms down there, and kind of debating if it's worth going into or not. It's kind of interesting though. There's the MGM. If I could just slip across there, but I think you have to go all the way around. That's kind of interesting though. And there's also Wynn Palace, the dragon right there. Grand Palace. I don't know if it's interesting enough. But anyways, that's kind of something that's going on. It's like this little thing. I think there's like a little thing there, stage right there. So there might be more interesting things later with that stage. And then a big beer tent over there. And I might not film inside because be a whole other event right there. But anyways, it looks kind of interesting. A lot of people are wearing white in here, and that tent is all set up as well. Anyways, looks like it goes until midnight tonight. So it is kind of interesting. And you're kind of right in the mix of all this stuff. The Grand Lisboa, some new casinos over there called Macau Palace, Lisboa, MGM, and it's kind of just getting to be that kind of time. Got some good music, some drinking music, disco music. Okay, so let's just do the short one like that. So it looks like it could be interesting. Cheers to Macau. Malt beer. And I think maybe later it might be more interesting. I can see some people setting up. There's like lots of little tents way over there. It's good they're using this for Macau Palace. Looks like way over there there's some and there's the bathrooms right there too. So it looks like it's looks like it could be kind of interesting event, but I don't know. I've never seen them use anything down here before. But yeah, 6 p.m. to midnight. I think it's about 6 p.m. right now because the sun hasn't gone down yet. So maybe later it'll be more interesting. Okay, so that's Wynn Palace. Kind of nice grounds. Yeah, actually this Wynn Palace takes a long time to get around it. I don't know the circumference of it, but it's pretty huge. So it's actually good that they're using that space in that way, like creating some kind of event outside like that, because it's definitely, they definitely have the space for it for sure. And that's the Grand Lisboa Palace. That one is going to be opened up later. So anyways, I guess we'll finish it right there.
Toma cuidado la